Each course at American Sentinel University is 8 weeks long. Within the Moodle platform, your courses will be split up into 8 separate weeks, with different deliverables and assignments pertaining to each week. Let's look at the main features you will see in each week of the course. Remember, a week begins on Monday at 6 a.m. Mountain Standard Time and ends the following Monday at 5:59 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. Every week, you will begin by opening up the Module Overview link. The Overview link is important as it contains the learning outcomes for the week as well as the reading assignment for that week of the course. You will use the reading assignment to answer your discussion question and for future assignments. In week 1 of the course, every student will submit an introduction post introducing themselves to the rest of their classmates for the course. Every week, you will also need to answer the discussion question of the week. You can find the discussion question of the week by clicking on Discussion 1 or Discussion 2, depending on the week you are in. You can then find the grade for your discussion post in the link titled Professor's Grade for Discussion. Some weeks will have additional requirements, such as your practice experience documents or specific assignments for the week, such as in week 3 of this course. It is important to recognize that any link or document listed under one of the weekly sections needs to be completed within that week of the course or by the following Monday at 5:59 a.m. Mountain Standard Time.